Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add a ring group in the 3CX admin console. To start, log into 3CX. Go to the 3CX admin console. Select the Call Handling tab. Press this button to create a ring group. Configure the general settings. Choose a name for your ring group. Set a ring strategy. A typical ring strategy is the Ring All option. This feature rings all users at the same time until someone picks up or the 60-second timeout is reached. If you want calls to start with the top user and proceed down the list, then set the ring strategy to the Prioritized Hunt option. The ring time is the duration of each ring attempt made to each user. You could optionally assign DID numbers to route directly to this ring group. Set the destination for calls if no one in the ring group answers. You can set it to end the call, or you can send it to the destinations featured in this drop-down menu. You could optionally configure where calls will route based on office hours, including when the office is closed, on break, or on holiday. Go to the Users tab and add users to your ring group. Press this button and select an extension from this drop-down menu to add each user you want in your ring group. You can also drag and drop users to set their priority if you set this ring group to use the Prioritized Hunt ring strategy. An optional feature you can configure is 3CX Live Chat and Talk. This is where you can place a link in either your email signature or website to allow people to call with a single click. The friendly name has been auto-generated. This is based on the name of your ring group. Set what information you'll ask your customers for. Save your ring group when you're done. Congratulations! You've successfully added a ring group in the 3CX admin console. Check back for more useful videos on 3CX as we're frequently publishing new content.